Hi guys, today we're gonna make slime with you. Slime, it's squishy stuff. And we're gonna make slime.
How are we gonna make slime, Connor?
We will add the ingredients to make slime. I want my slime to have these glitter. Glitter, I like glitter, glitter, sparkle, sparkle.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, look at this cup here. See these little measurements?
yeah?
10, 15, 20. When I tell you how much, we need to put that much in the bowl, okay?
How much what?
How much of the slime glue?
Okay.
Okay, so first, if we read the instructions, it says measure 15. So we need to fill it up to 15 on there, okay?
You fill, I'll hold.
All right. Can you tell me when to stop?
Yeah. When I get to 15. 5, 10, and zooms to 15. Okay. Stop.
All right. I got 15 of the glue. Pour that in the bowl.
Okay.
Use this cup or this little spoon. Scrape it all out.
And there you go. Good. Now the glue's in. What's next?
Let's get all that we can out, okay?
Okay. Phew. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Glitter.
All right. Okay, now the next step, measure 25 of water.
25 of water?
Water.
What do we need water for? 25 of water? That's a lot.
Okay. Let's see.
25 bits of water. We have to clean up this cup.
Hold on.
Okay, let's add that. Water is next.
Water is in. Okay. Now we could add a little bit of the glitter.
Glitter. Okay, let's add the gray glitter. Add the sparkly glitter.
Okay, here. Be very careful with it, okay?
Okay.
Shake a little bit into the bowl.
Is that a little bit?
Put a little bit more if you want. All right. That's good.
Glitter. Glitter.
Why did you do that? Silly.
Sorry.
Don't touch it. We don't want to get it everywhere.
I'm so sorry, Dad.
It's all right. I don't know about you, but I don't want glitter all over me.
Okay.
Okay?
You don't need glitter on you.
No, and neither do you. Okay.
I don't want glitter on me either.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. Now, we can add some other color. Are we going to do blue or pink?
Blue.
Blue, good choice.
Can you open up the blue lid? Blue.
It says it has a scent. Smells good. Smell it. Careful. Careful. Smell good? It says you put a spoonful in here. Oh.
Here's some good color. Okay, can you clean up that, please?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean our table up real good.
That's a champion.
Hold on, babe. Okay, try and stir it up a little bit. Keep that spoon in there.
Stir sparkly, glitter, slime.
All right. Okay, now it says we need 5 on the cup.
It's slime activator.
We need 5 of the slime activator.
Slime activator. It makes this. What does the? It makes the slime into slime.
Mm-hmm.
Slime activator. I will spin the slime activator everywhere. Slime activator. You pour the slime activator in.
I'll pour it and you stir it, okay?
Yep. Can't wait to do this, guys and kids. Okay, my dad added the slime activator. Now we're gonna mix it. Mixy, mixy, mix. So mixy, mix.
See, it's starting to turn into slime.
Yeah.
Starting to get thicker and turn into slime. Keep on mixing.
Okay, how long do you need to mix?
Continue stirring until all of it is absorbed. Okay, make sure you get all that blue stuff in there. Scrape it down.
Okay,
Try and get all the glitter off the bowl.
okay. I'll use this.
Stir it up real good.
Let me.
Tanner, no.
Sorry, Dad.
Okay.
Can you hold the bowl for me?
Keep stirring.
And keep stirring.
You're doing good.
Good slime. The slime is good, guys.
It's turning into slime.
Slime is turning into slime.
Watch you scrape up this up. Look at this. Glitter off the edge of the bowl. Stir.
Stirring, stirring, stirring. We're stirring, stirring.
Feels slimy.
Can I touch?
Yeah.
Ooh, slimy. It's slimy.
Trying to pull it out.
It's pretty cold. Can you help me pull it out? Squishy, slimy. We built it slime. We made slime. We have made it, created slime. We have made some interesting slime. Can I have it?
Yep, come on there.
Squish.
Keep it over the bowl, okay?
Okay.
Look at my hands, they're all slimy.
Slimy. Wow. Slime squishy.
You like
Slime.
it?
Yep. We have made slime, kids and boys.
All right, Connor, now that we made our slime, what are you going to say to all the people before we wrap this up?
Oh, wait. We forgot. I wanted purple slime.
We'll make another one for that.
Mm-hmm.
So, before we clean up everything, what do you want to say?
Bye! Bye. Bye.